Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating controllers, services, resources, and request classes. These components are essential for building clean, maintainable, and efficient APIs. Let's get started.
Let us start creating some other classes now. Let us close this terminal, open the new terminal, and assign a controller, auth controller, in which I'll place all the functions, login, register, logout, profile, those functions. This is created. Okay, I'll write the definitions of those functions: public function, login, public function register. Before proceeding to these functions, let us create a few more classes. So I'll run few artisan commands. You can pause the video here and type the same command. So PHP artisan make class, sorry, a request, user request. Okay, this one is done. Now let us create the other class, that is PHP artisan make class. This class would be the service class. It will come under services folder. You can write the name of your folder, anything you want. So you can see user service class is created. Uh, User request class is created. And now let us create a resource class. So for that, I would be running PHP artisan make resource user resource. I think I have spelled that wrong. Yeah, now it is correct. So user resource class is created. So I have created these three classes: user request to handle the request, user services to handle the model function, and user resource to handle the data which is being sent in the API. So that is the basic of these three classes. And now let us proceed further. I'll start utilizing now user request class, which is basically to interact with the request we are receiving. So I'll set the authorize to true, and I'll set some rules for registration, that these rules must be passed before passing the request to the controller function or to the service function or to access the model. So I need three parameters: name, email, and password. And email would be unique email. For that time, I'll write this rule: unique. Users is the name of that table. So it will look for email in that table and check if this one is unique or not. And password has to be minimum 8, and it should match password underscore confirmation. Let me fix this. Okay, it is done now. Our user request is created. I think it is better to rename it to create user request. This name look more relevant to what we are creating. I'll rename this also. So now let us include that in my controller, that is auth controller. And here in the register, I'll be including this create user request, dollar request. That is done. Now, before, as I have not written anything, so but I'll create one route. I'll tell you that now, before proceeding inside the function, it will first check those rules. If they are passed, after that only it will access the function, else it will give you the error that these are the validation error which you need to fix. So let us create a route and the register. That's it. Okay. This one is not required. I'll write it like this. That is done now. Okay, let us double check everything is good. Now let us run this register command. Okay, okay, post. So rename it to register. You can do that afterward also, but I just saw that. That's right. So you can see the validation error came, uh, and now we can proceed for creating the register functionality.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.